Welcome to our channel. Today we how to open a Fidelity Investment Account. Investor Starter Guide step by step clearly. First, decide what type of account you need, such as a brokerage account, IRA, or Roth IRA. Check your eligibility basics, including age, residency, and whether you have a social security number or ITIN. Prepare your personal details, including legal name, home address, date of birth, and contact information. Have your employment information ready, including your employer name and job title if applicable. Get your government-issued ID nearby in case Fidelity asks to verify your identity. Choose how you want to fund the account, such as a bank transfer, check deposit, or transferring from another broker. Click the Open an Account button and select the account type you chose earlier. Create a username and strong password and set up your security questions carefully. Enter your personal information exactly as it appears on official documents to prevent delays. Answer the regulatory if asked about investment objectives. Choose a simple option that matches your goal, like long-term growth. Set your core account settings, including dividend preferences and whether to reinvest distributions. Connect your bank account by entering routing and account numbers, or choose another funding method. Verify your bank connection using the method Fidelity provides, such as instant verification or microdeposits. Submit the application and wait for the confirmation screen that your account is opened. Check your email for a confirmation message and follow any verification steps if required. Log into your new Fidelity account and go to the Accounts and Trade area. Click Transfer or Deposit to add money and select the amount you want to fund initially. Choose a realistic starter amount and confirm the transfer details before submitting. Wait for the cash to settle, which may take a short time depending on the transfer method. Once funds are available, click Trade and select the investment you want to buy, like an ETF or stock. For beginners, consider a diversified ETF and use a market order only if you understand price movement. Enter the number of shares or dollar amount. Review estimated costs and preview the order. Place the trade and save the order confirmation for your records. Set up two-factor authentication in security settings to protect your account going forward. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.